Are you curious about trading Forex but overwhelmed by charts and technical jargon? What if AI could make it simpler? In this beginner's guide, I'll show you how to start trading Forex using AI in 2025. No coding, no prior experience needed. Let's get started. Forex, or foreign exchange trading, is buying and selling currency pairs, like USD/EUR, to profit from price changes. The Forex market runs 24/5 and is one of the most active markets in the world. AI is now changing the game by automating analysis and strategy, making it easier and faster to trade, especially for beginners. AI reads market data faster than humans, predicts patterns and trends using machine learning, sends trading signals with buy-sell alerts. Some bots even auto-execute trades. This can reduce emotional mistakes and save time. TradingView plus AI plugins. Use smart indicators and AI-powered scripts, charts and community ideas. MetaTrader 4/5 plus Forex robots. Add expert advisors, EAs, to automate trades. Choose bots with proven track records. ChatGPT for analysis. Ask ChatGPT to analyze Forex news and patterns. Build strategies or understand trading terms. Signal Start, MyFX Book AI bots. Follow verified AI bots. Connect with your broker for automated trading. Step 1. Open a demo account on a platform like Oanda or Exness. Step 2. Choose a currency pair to watch, like EUR/USD. Step 3. Use TradingView to spot trends. Plug in AI indicators. Step 4. Follow AI signal providers or bots, MyFX Book ZuluTrade. Step 5. Try trading small using automation or alerts. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Start with a demo before going live. Avoid bots promising get-rich-quick results. Learn risk management. Set stop losses. Combine AI tools with your own knowledge. And that's how you start Forex trading using AI in 2025, even as a complete beginner. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe to AI Insight Hub for more AI-powered money-making tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below.